What's up, YouTube? My name is Tim and this is my beautiful wife Krista. Hey, we are starting a brand new channel and I think it's kind of crazy maybe what we're doing. Maybe not the best financial decision right now. But you know, 2020 we'd plan on going on cruises, taking our kids to Disneyland, but given everything that's happening with the coronavirus and with like earthquakes in Utah, that's where we're from, by the way, we just didn't know what would we be able to even do this year. And so I'm a huge fan of YouTube channels that spotlight cars and does a lot of cool car content. And we thought, well, how cool would it be if we got a fun car and we just made some content around that. So what cars did we look at?
We looked at Mustangs, Camaros, Corvettes. Yeah, all those pretty awesome cars. So, you know, instead of getting any of those, we actually got something pretty different that we think will be pretty sweet for our channel. So here, let's show you guys what we got. Yeah? Yeah.
Okay. What did we get?
So we got a 2018 Charger Hellcat.
How many horses?
707.
Ooh. So this may be our biggest financial mistake ever.
Maybe.
Oh.
It'll be fun though.
It will be. It's going to be a lot of fun. We've got a lot of cool content. Now, anyone that knows the Hellcat, you're already looking at this, and what is driving you nuts? Tell me what's driving you nuts. Yep. Okay. Those are the first things that have got to go, right? Oh, by the way, honey, I got you something. Hold on here. This is my Neon SRT4, by the way. We'll talk about that later. But here, I got you something.
All right.
Surprise, surprise.
Thank you. Ooh. A hat to match the car, huh?
That's right. Well, I knew it'd be windy, so I thought, hey, there you go.
Nice. Thank you.
Love it. Okay, well, let's get these splitter guards off, shall we? All right, here's the screwdriver.
Okay, let's do this.
Is this the first thing you've ever done on a car?
No.
No? So there should be 2 pins under there.
Okay.
And they're plastic. And you stick the screwdriver in between the plastic piece and you turn it and it should just pop off. Now, when we got this car, it does have 30,000 miles on it, so chances of this bumper being scratched from these guards is highly probable.
Come on.
Oh, you're doing good.
All right, here we go. Got it.
Good job.
Awesome.
Yay, you did
Yay.
And as you guys can probably see here, it's pretty dirty. But I think like washing it and buffing it, it's gonna come out. So hopefully, if not, we'll just get it repainted. Obviously, we have to do a cold start here too.
Yes.
All right. Hit it twice.
Love it. So cool.
Alright guys, that is it for this quick video. We just wanted to introduce ourselves, what our channel is going to be about, what we're going to do. We're going to have a lot of cool modifications to this Hellcat. We're going to be doing a lot of racing, burnouts, a lot of fun stuff. So if you wouldn't mind, please hit that subscribe button and we'll see you next time.
See you next time.